A guide to enabling and disabling light and dark modes within illumy. This guide will show you how to turn on and turn off light or dark mode in illumy. Turning on light or dark mode can make illumy look better and be easier to see. You can quickly change the settings of illumy and enjoy the mode you select. 1. Click on your profile picture and select Settings. 2. Click on Themes. 3. Pick what you want. Light mode may work best for you during the day. Dark mode may work best at night. Or with Sync with OS settings, have the illumy mode synchronized with the operating system's clock. Stick with what you like or select what works best for your eyes. Thank you for using illumy.